What I wish I knew at the start of my healthcare career: the importance of top-notch ACLS training. Thank you for choosing Attentive Safety for your Advanced Cardiovascular Life Support training needs. Our ACLS skill session is designed to enhance your emergency response capabilities. Led by expert American Heart Association instructors, you'll get hands-on training in high-quality CPR, AED use, and advanced resuscitation techniques. And guess what? You'll receive your ACLS Provider certification card immediately upon successful completion. With flexible scheduling available 7 days a week, fitting this crucial training into your busy schedule has never been easier. Choose from multiple convenient locations and time slots. Remember, you must complete the AHA Heart Code ACLS online course and bring your certificate to the session. Secure your spot now by visiting our website, attentivesafety.com, or call us at 877-531-2226. Don't miss this chance to enhance your ACLS skills and be prepared for any critical situation. We look forward to seeing you at our next session.